This video is made for entertainment purposes only. Please invest your own money at your own risk. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence research as I will do mine. Again, this video is not financial advice. What is up, everyone? To Safe Investor AG here. HBAR Sim Warrior, and today I have to explain it to you. There's a prediction. I found this video. I need to show it to you guys. Adam Back is predicting that Bitcoin's going to 100,000 before 2024 Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin halving is in April of 2024. Before then, he said it'll go to 100,000. That's crazy. That's insanity. That's crazy. Anyways, okay. So, let's watch it.
I think it's possible that we get to, a new all-time high, like 100,000 or more, even before the halving.
Crypto expert Adam Back just made a bold prediction on Bitcoin.
Okay, Adam Back, who is he? Let's go to Wikipedia. Okay, Adam Back is a pioneer of early digital assets research, similarly as Wei Dai, David Chaum. Anyways, 1997, Back invented hash cash. A similar system is used in Bitcoin. He also implemented Credlib, a library that implements the credential systems of Stefan Brandt and David Chaum. All right, business career. On the 3rd of October of 2016, Back was appointed as CEO of Blockstream. Since then, he has introduced products such as the liquid sidechain, Blockstream, mining nodes, mining colocation services, the Jade hard. Okay, anyways, what's Blockstream? Well, it's this. Blockstream is a blockchain technology company led by co-founder Adam Back, headquartered in Victoria, Canada, with offices and staff worldwide. Okay, so he's a big deal. Very, very, very big deal. Anyways, let's get back to the video.
And Adam undoubtedly is a crypto expert. He's a British cryptographer and cypherpunk, most known today as the CEO of Blockstream, which was co-founded in 2014. And he is literally the person that invented Hashcash, which is used in the Bitcoin mining process. Many people suspect Adam of being Satoshi. You can find messages from back in the day of him talking to Satoshi, as well as Adam's work is cited in the Bitcoin white paper. And just know, before we watch this clip in full, that the two things that affect price of any asset is supply and demand. And while the Bitcoin halving next year will be a huge shock on supply, Pompliano went on Fox Business this morning to remind the viewers of the race for the Bitcoin spot ETF in the US, which has huge implications on the demand side.
Is a spot Bitcoin ETF going to happen this year? I mean, there's a Hunger Games going on with a whole bunch of different fund companies. In a letter sent to the SEC yesterday, Grayscale urged the regulatory body to reconsider its application to turn its Bitcoin trust into a spot ETF.
Grayscale is trying to be first. They're trying to beat Fidelity, beat BlackRock. This is all SEC dependent if a Bitcoin ETF in America.
They really have to boot this good for nothing. This guy only blocks whatever progress crypto technology is trying to push in the economy. This guy just sucks. Him. I'm talking about this fool. Okay.
Gets approved.
Now, what the SEC has to decide is, are they going to allow this conversion? But that's not the only part that they actually have to evaluate. They also have to look at the fact that you have other ETF applications that are out there. And so it's kind of this great race. Do we get the GBTC conversion first, or do we get ETF applications? I tend to think that we don't want to have a financial market where regulators are playing referee in the sense of they get to choose winners and losers. Instead, what we want regulators to create fair markets. And so from my personal perspective, the best thing to do would be just approve them all at once. Say, GBTC, you can convert, BlackRock, ARK, the other filers, everyone gets to go. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoever gets the assets gets the assets. Because part of what we've seen in prior ETF applications that have been approved, whoever gets out there first, they get the assets.
Yeah, Fidelity. I mean, what is more?
let's be serious now. Out of all these Invesco, they're all pretty big players, but come on, BlackRock, it's the father of all. They're going to get it.
Basic and accepted in the world than Fidelity. They're applying.
Now, the final deadline for most of these ETFs, the SEC could push until March of next year.
So check out all these dates. The final deadline, okay, for BlackRock, where is he? iShares, come on. Yeah, it's right here. It's for March of 2024. I do believe we're going to see a small FOMO rally leading up to this date, the end of this year, I believe. I wholeheartedly believe that.
But many experts, including Pomp, do think it's coming sooner.
I do believe we will get ETF applications approved before the end of this year. We have about 100 days or so left to go. BlackRock knocking at the door, Fidelity, et cetera, I think really helps. But another key piece to this, and I think people kind of are so focused on the ETF application that they're not looking at the macro impact. And one of the things that recently came out is Bernstein came out with this brand new kind of prediction that this stablecoin market, these are just dollars on blockchain, is going to be about a $3 trillion market cap. Now, the reason why that's important is $125 billion today. So they're predicting just dollars alone will go from 125 billion to 3 trillion. If that happens, Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptocurrency market will likely be $10+ trillion.
$10 trillion market cap.
We're talking about a market that maybe is just over $1 trillion today. And so these are
Dang.
Let me just
huge
jump in
upside
though.
numbers.
And a $10 trillion upside from today would be a 10x. A 10x on the entire market. That only comes when you have supply going down and demand going up.
So I'm going to leave the link down below so you guys can finish watching it. So for example, sorry, I was inspecting salsa swap here. So let's look at the numbers here. The market cap. Look at the market cap. It's been exploding. So the last explosion, the last one, it reached, you can see right here, what is this? 3 trillion. I thought we touched 3 trillion. I thought we did. Anyways, so over here we got up to 8.5 billion, and then it jumped to 3 trillion. So that's almost a 4x. So I mean, in market cap. So if you do the same here, it's right on track. You know, if you compare the exact same thing that they're using, if you 4x the market cap from here, it's 12 trillion. That what they're predicting here, it's correct. And why does it matter? Well, I'm HR simp Saucy Warrior. I'm a huge simp for Hedera. So in the Hedera market, what does it mean for Hedera? So you can see here, Hedera is still number 30. So it's starting to push up. Yeah, look at all those tokens that are in the red, but Hedera is pushing up. So Hedera is probably going to get, let's look at the whole volume. Okay, the entire market. So Bitcoin dominant. Bitcoin has about 49% in dominance. So where is it? What's the percentage? Okay, this is the market cap. Market capitalization, major crypto assets. Okay, Bitcoin has 49%, which is about half. So half of all of this volume that's getting driven right now is going through Bitcoin basically, which is 13 billion. So, and then it trickles down. It trickles down and down and down to the rest. Okay. So if Bitcoin does a 10x, now because of the sizing, now Bitcoin is chilling right at 500 billion market cap. Remember that? Hedera, HBAR, is chilling at 1.7 billion. 1.7 billion. Everyone is paired basically and pegged to Bitcoin. So kind of like SAWS, the biggest pairing it's with HBAR. So HBAR is to Bitcoin what sauce is to HBAR. So if Bitcoin does a 10x, I am anticipating a good 25 up to 40x, yes, of hedera. And it's gonna push it to it's gonna push the price up. Plus, people are gonna be loading up on hedera. So anyways, comment down below, what do you guys think about this thesis? Do you think Bitcoin will reach 100K before the Bitcoin halving? Because if it does, that means it'll push up even higher after Bitcoin halving, probably 150K. I can't imagine. Comment down below, what do you guys think? Again, this is Safe Investor AG, H% Warrior. Stay saucy.